This is the Gerber Genuine 44-932 aerator kit for the vandal-proof 0.5 GPM or gallons per minute faucets. Now we'll get everything out of the bag here so we can take a look at it. You can see it'll come with this metal piece, the aerator, and this rubber O-ring, as well as this metal wrench here for it. So how this will go, take the aerator here into this metal piece, and it should, well, that's the wrong end, you should be able to place it in just like that, followed by this rubber O-ring right on top. Now you'll have to press it in just a little, and then you should feel that rubber O-ring almost seat into that piece there. So it should be just like that. And if we take everything back out, the way we can measure each piece individually, we'll start with the plastic aerator here. So if we measure from the very bottom to the very top of that aerator, you can see it's right over ½ an inch. And then we'll take a measurement of this metal piece here. Total height, also right above ½ an inch. And we'll go ahead and get the outside diameter of this side. So it's right below an inch. So right at about 3/4 of an inch, almost, somewhere in there. Then we'll get an outer diameter of this side. You can see it's right below an inch as well. A little bit shorter than that other end. We can go ahead and measure this rubber O-ring. Yep, just like that. It's right over ½ an inch. And once again, this is the Gerber Genuine 44-932 aerator kit.